friends, my name is Arya. Welcome to my show. Today I'm going to talk about Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. It is one of the biggest festivals celebrated across India and the world. Diwali is the celebration of returning of Lord Ram to his home, Ayodhya, after 14 years of exile. We lit candles, it's also called like Diya, and we decorate our house with Rangoli. 5 important days of Diwali: Dhanteras, Choti Diwali, Laxmi Pooja, Govardhan Pooja, Bhai Dooj. We share sweets and gifts with our family and friends. Children burn firecrackers and enjoy with family and friends. We visit temples, take blessings of elders, and we do new things on the important days of Diwali. On Diwali, we wear traditional clothes. Diwali is the celebration of victory of good over evil. Wish you a happy Diwali.